Hello everybody, I'm Pooja Vasudev from Campus Technology, and in this video I want to talk about our examination module, specifically about how we are different from every other platform that's available for conducting examinations. In our module, what we have done, we have taken into consideration the challenges that are faced by teachers while conducting an exam. It could be while creating the question papers, it could be for evaluation. We've taken that feedback and we have made sure that these challenges are kind of taken care of when the module is designed. So what we have done, number one, creating question papers. That's the first challenge that most of the teachers have. We've created something called a question bank, which basically is like a repository of all the questions pertaining to that particular subject or that particular topic, and any number of questions can be added in the repository, and the system can randomly pick questions from this question bank and create a question paper. So that becomes very easy, and once you have the question bank, you don't have to create a question paper manually. The system will do it for you. You can of course give details like the date of the exam, the timings, and schedule, but the entire question paper can be auto generated by the portal. That's one big advantage. It will save a lot of time for the teachers. Number two, of course, the auto evaluation. The multiple choice questions can be auto evaluated by the system, and there is no manual correction required by the teachers, and the scores are auto calculated and is available in a nice looking dashboard for the teachers to export, and the same score can also be made available for the students. That's number two. Number three, our unique feature, which basically takes care of different learning levels of students. I have also spoken about this in our LMS video. When a teacher handles a particular class, you have different sets of students. You have different groups of students, and each group is very different. You have advanced learners who are very good at what they do and they score very well, and we have the slow learners who need a little bit of hand holding for scoring better, and we have another group which is like a group of students who are in between. They are neither advanced learner nor they are in the group of slow learner. They are in between. They also need some help. Now when a teacher is designing, or when they are creating a question paper, they can consider the learning levels of students, and the question papers can be created. So they can categorize the question paper into easy, difficult, medium. So the difficulty levels can be set and the question papers can be given, or you could also create question paper or question banks specifically for slow learners, specifically for advanced learners, or for your students who are in between. We can call them intermediate learners. We can create different kinds of question banks, and this also can be made available. Now while creating a question paper, you can create different section. You can create a first section which is basically easy questions. You can create a question bank for that. Then you can also pick questions from, let's say, a question bank which has difficult question. The second section could be difficult questions. Then the third section could be something that is analytical, or it could be something that's not too easy, not too difficult, somewhere in between. So different sections can be created in the question paper. Now these questions can be picked from different question banks that are already available on the system. So you can create multiple question banks depending on what you want. Question banks can be created based on analytical skills. It could be something like case studies, and the system can be told to pick questions from different question banks, and a single question paper can be created. This, I think, will make the work of a teacher very easy. It will also make for a very interesting question paper that basically takes care of all the needs of the students, from analyzing their skills, catering to different learning levels. So that was our main objective. We have taken into consideration all of this, and we have come up with this platform, and I'm sure it is going to be a process where the students are also enjoying and the teachers are also saving a lot of time, given that the teachers especially do not have a lot of time in hand, since they're already involved in administrative activities, completing the syllabus, setting of a question paper is an additional task which is time consuming, and it need not be time consuming. That's where we have come up with this module. I would say please go ahead, use the module, and let us know if you have any feedback or anything that you would want to add or change. We are all ears. We would love to hear from you. Please reach out to us and let us know how the module is and how the students are liking it as well. Thank you.